In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Tagalog or Filipino in Memrise. Learning Tagalog or Filipino using Memrise can be an enjoyable and effective experience. Start by opening the Memrise website and searching for Tagalog courses. You can learn from a word list based on what you actually want to learn. Then start learning words and phrases that locals use and immerse yourself in videos of native speakers. When you're ready, practice conversations with Membot. Also, watch 48,000 plus conversations between real natives so you can confidently understand their accents and listen to the words and phrases they use. This will allow you to generate a personal word list so you learn the words and phrases you'll actually need to use. You can use Memrise along with your favorite books and YouTube videos so you can have a full language learning experience. Courses often include images and audio clips to aid comprehension and pronunciation. You can set daily goals for learning to maintain consistency and track your progress. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. Since Memrise allows users to create courses, the quality and accuracy can vary significantly. Some courses may have errors or lack clear explanations. While Memrise has audio features, it doesn't focus heavily on developing speaking and writing skills through practical exercises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.